Life is hard sometimes. Luckily, we have a system of energy sites on the body called safety energy locks in Jin Shin Jyutsu that we can use to help us. So if we place our hands on specific energy sites, we can help the body, and we can help the mind, and we can help the emotions. There are 2 safety energy locks that we can use to help lift our spirits, to help relax the mind and body as well. And these 2 energy sites are located here at the base of the collarbone. This is safety energy lock number 22, and another energy site or safety energy lock which is on the small of the back, and this is safety energy lock number 23. Safety energy lock number 22 and 23, when we use them together, can just relax our mind and body and lift our spirits. So what we can do is place the right hand on the base of the collarbone at safety energy lock 22, and the left hand on the left small of the back at safety energy lock 23. And we just relax the hands and hold. Just feel that relaxation setting in after a couple of minutes, maybe a bit longer. Just sit quietly, close your eyes and hold. And then when you're ready, just reverse the hands. So place the left hand on the left base of the collarbone at safety energy lock 22, and the right hand on the right small of the back at safety energy lock 23. Just relax the hands and hold. As simple as that. This is Jin Shin Jyutsu in action. This is what you can already do just by knowing where to place your hands. I hope you enjoy this exercise.